Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Trello card aging and due dates step by step clearly. To install Trello card aging, start by opening your Trello board. Locate the Show menu button on the right side of your screen and click on it. In the menu, find the Power UPS option and select it. In the Power UPS directory, use the search bar to look for card aging. Once you find the card aging power-up, click on the Add button to enable it on your board. After the power-up is enabled, you'll notice a new feature on your cards. The aging effect will automatically apply to cards that are overdue. Next, to set due dates, click on a card you want to edit. In the card details, look for the due date option and click on it. Select the date from the calendar pop-up to specify the due date. You can also select a time if needed. Once selected, click Save to apply the due date to the card. Repeat this process for all cards you want to assign due dates to. Now you can visually track your overdue cards using the aging effect. To adjust settings for the card aging power-up, go back to the Power UPS menu. Look for card aging in your enabled Power UPS and click on the settings icon. Customize the aging time frame according to your preference. Once you've made your adjustments, be sure to save your settings. Your Trello board is now set up for optimal tracking of deadlines and card aging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.